ginagawa ni Marlon is fighting method number 8. Yan, 1, 4, 13, 6. Yan. Yan ang fighting method number 8. Combining stick and dagger or baston idaga or idaga baston. Yan po ang ginagawa ni Marlon. Fighting method number 8. Fighting method with dagger. Yan. Combining espada idaga. Yan. Combining stick and dagger. Yan o. 1. Half strike. 13. 6. Yan po.